Presenting the Pigeon Amaze mixer grinder. The super mixer grinder with different sized jars runs on a 550-watt sturdy motor base. The strong body is made from ABS plastic and the jars and blades are made up of high-grade stainless steel which gives durability. It has a blender jar with a capacity of 1.25 liters and other two different sized jars for wet or dry grinding options. The product comes in dark grey color. It has a blender jar along with two different jars inclusive of lids which allows switching effortlessly for various grinding operations with a power of 240 volts. The mixer is equipped with 3 precision speeds. The compact and sturdy ABS knob control allows for easy maintenance. The product weighs around 1.18 kilograms. This Amaze mixer grinder comes with overload protection.
Introducing the Bajaj Pluto 500 watt mixer grinder. The white mixer features an elegant and sturdy design. It measures 32 by 19 by 24 centimeters and weighs 3.1 kilograms. The mixer comes with 3 jars, a 1.25 liter liquidizing jar, a 0.8 liter multipurpose jar and a 0.3 liter chutney jar. Jars and blades are made of stainless steel, while the body is made of ABS and the cord of PVC. The mixer features 3-speed control options with incher for momentary operation. The box contains 3 stainless steel jars and a mixer body. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking.
Butterfly presents 500 watt Hero mixer grinder with 3 jars. It has aesthetically designed ABS body that provides durability and stability. The 500 watt powerful motor allows you to grind and blend tough food ingredients. The motor is enabled with auto cutoff function against overload. This feature ensures long life of the motor. The special ventilator prevents the motor from heating. It has sturdy handles for better grip. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars that are equipped with fixed razor sharp blades for different grinding applications. The 3 speed levels with whip settings allow you to choose different speed levels depending upon the application need. The special rubber shoes help in keeping the appliance in place by preventing it from moving or sliding while in use. Visit the product detail page to know more about warranty, scheduled delivery and EMI options.
Welcome to the demo of Bajaj REX 500. New multi-purpose Bajaj REX 500 fulfills the need of mixing, juicing and grinding. It is designed to perform various functions that makes cooking efficient and effortless. Chutney jar. Chutney jar is used to make home blend of masalas and favorite pastes. Place the jar on the main body unit of the mixer. Add all the ingredients to the jar to make hummus. Ensure that you cover the jar with lid and plug the mixer in. Remember, the substance to be ground should not be too large in size. And hummus is ready. Liquidizing jar. This jar is used to perform blending and liquidizing operations to make delicious lassi or milkshake. It is also used for puring purpose. Fill the jar with pieces of banana. Add some milk to the jar. Put the dome cap on. Turn the mixer on and serve the milkshake thick and chilled. Wet or dry grinding. Attach the jar to the main body unit of the mixer. Add in all the ingredients that needs to be ground. Ensure that the jar is covered by the flat lid. And with the turn of the mixer knob, masala will be ready. Use Bajaj REX 500 for effortless grinding and mixing and make something awesome today.